Guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So guys, it's been a while for sure. You guys will be like, where's coach? I was busy writing books. As much as you know, this is another new season, so I was like writing new books so that we know exactly where we're standing. So guys, we're going to do two strategies that are working today. Then after that, we're going to jump over to the other one. So this is how it goes. We add up all these numbers, but in the numeric order. Numeric meaning small to big. So I'm going to have 29, 30, 31, 38. We're going to add up all those numbers. So this is what we do. We come here to the calculator. We have it there. We're going to say 29 plus 30 plus 31 plus 38. We get 128. 128. Actually, I just have to check the date. What's the date today? That's 128. That's actually, if it's like this, it means the code has to give us 29, has to give us 27, then it has to give us 20. Okay. So without wasting any time, I'll have to come in here. Actually, you know what, I need something that is gonna be clear. Okay, for example, this is let me say, because when you're doing this strategy, what you do, you use both results from, as you can see, let me just put lunch and tea. Sorry to use this one with this kind of colors because that one did not update. So we use previous results, these ones, previous results. Actually not in numeric order but in draw order. That's why I had to come this side. So there we have got 31, 38, 29 and 30, which is 31, 38, 29 and 30. Then let's go to the calculator and check what is happening there. So we're going to do this. We're going to say 31 plus 38 plus 29 plus 30. We get still 128. Am I right? That's still 128. Yes, that's 128. 128. So if it's 128, our code was 128. If you check these results for today, they just dropped 12.8, just straight like that. I did not realize, but it came like as 12.8, as you can see. So it's another new strategy that Daniel is using. So as much as we're going to do for the tea time now, this is the tricky part. We take the ones from yesterday, the tea, and these ones now. That's how you do it. So we've got 24, we've got 46, we've got 31, we've got 38. So let us go and check what we will get there. As much as it applies on UK and Betway Fortnite, 24 plus 46 plus 31 plus 38. That's 139. So our code for tea time is what? 139. Code for tea is 139. So which means they're going to have 13, going to have 40, going to have 1, going to have 38. Then we also have a 19, then we have a 39 and a 31. So these are the numbers that you guys can play on. I'm sorry to use this kind of app. I don't like using it actually because it's too colorful, you know. Yo, I'm so stressed. One of my friends survived from accident, so yeah, but anyway, we're happy that she's alive and God is in connection. You know, sometimes if you survive from an accident, you don't have to cry. Actually, you just have to kneel down, thank the Lord that, you know what, you made me survive. I'm still alive. Anyway, big up to her. She's surviving. She's fine. There's nothing bad. So guys, here's your money tonight. Go and play these numbers and please boom. And make sure that you also apply this strategy, this other one. You use TTM results. You guys, you know this one. 31 plus 38 plus our formula 55. That's what we always do. So let us see, 31 plus 38. So meaning that our banker tonight should be 13 actually. Then I'm going to say 31 plus 38 plus 55. I get 124. So our code is 124, 139. Which means this other one will give us the bonus. This one for 124. Our bonus should be there. Then 139 will give us the bankers. I think I'm done now, guys. Please keep on subscribing, right? Watching the videos, subscribing, and also buy my books. Support the company. Thank you very much.